Hi, this is Realme Narzo 50 Pro and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first we should open the notification panel, and just to change the positions of these options, icons, or to add here some options or remove some of them, we should tap on the right upper corner and click to edit tiles. So just to add some of these invisible options, we should just click on each of these green pluses on the right upper corner of each of the icon. To remove some of these options by the same way, we should click here to these red minuses. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. Then just to save the changes, we should click to go back, and that's it. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.